going on, guys? Cody here. We are currently sitting outside the skill center waiting for it to open so I can go ahead and replace these lower control arms because they are shot. And if you're watching this video, I'm sure yours are too, and you're trying to figure out how to fix them. It's super easy. When I was doing the Brembo upgrade, which I'll post the icon right here, when I was doing that, I went ahead and checked everything because this car's got 100,000 miles on it. Felt the knocking, knew they were going to go out pretty soon, and now they are done for. You can move the lower control arms with your hand. Not the best thing. So let's go ahead and cut to me working on this car. Hope this helps you guys out. Before we get started, let's go ahead and do a quick little overview. This is the lower control arm piece, where if you're getting some type of clunking when you brake hard or hit a bump, it's more than likely this. If you can tell, this thing is shot. Getting this lower control arm can somewhat be tricky if it's your first time ever doing this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this rotor, you're going to push it outwards. It frees up the space because it is on a ball joint. You're able to pull it out and it should come out freely. This is a look at the old one right here. As you can tell, I can move it around with my thumb. You shouldn't be able to do that. The bushing is shot. And then this is the brand new one. I went ahead and purchased this one because it has a ball joint up top that you can actually grease. That's the old one, this is the new one. Alright guys, so update on the lower control arm replacement. It did get rid of my metal to metal sound going over speed bumps and heavy braking. So that was the fix. I'm really hoping that it's the fix for you because it really only took about 30 minutes to do both of them. It doesn't take long. It's very easy. Anybody can do it. And why go spend $200, $300, $400 at a shop where you could, you know, just do it yourself in about 30 minutes. Hopefully this tutorial helped you because that's what the car community on YouTube is all about. It's about helping people and saving people money. And if this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video. Show your friends so that they don't waste any money. I hope you have a great day and thank you for watching. Catch you later.